Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy OmarioRpg. I hope you're having an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are in the world. And today we are back reacting to Chainsaw Man Episode 2, Arrival in Tokyo. Just off the title, I assume they're going to Tokyo. I know, man. I know. These things just happen naturally as you grow older and wiser. You figure stuff like this out. This came out just a little bit under 2 hours ago. I tried reacting to it exactly at 5 o'clock, but tons of stuff popped up. And today I was reacting to the Cyberpunk anime, which, by the way, is coming soon. And it's bloody good. Spoilers. But yeah, super excited to get back into Chainsaw Man. I can't remember anyone's names. I'm going to be honest with you, bros. And sisters. Anyway. Your boy's been reacting to One Punch Man this week, Cyberpunk anime, Blue Balls, and Chainsaw Man. There's a lot of names to remember. And I've already got a trash memory, so just bear with me. I want to say his name's Genji. That might be an Overwatch champion. Genji or Denji. Something like that. Something along them lines there. But looking forward to seeing... I hate motorbikes. Looking forward to seeing where this Demon Hunter vibe goes. I'm assuming this Machina lady. That's crazy how I remembered her name, right? This Machina. I'm pretty sure her name's Machina. The Machina. This Machina lady is like probably gonna be like a leader of a Demon Hunter group, and she's getting this guy to be one of her Demon Hunters. Something along those lines. That sounds pretty cool to me. But my one question and one question only is Pochita alive? Because if he's dead, then we riot. Just saying. Now, before we get into the reaction, be sure to like and subscribe. I'd greatly appreciate it. The Patreon, everything's, you know, no blocking and all that stuff, no cuts, all that good stuff. If you want to watch it on the Patreon, stop now. Go check out the Patreon, patreon.com/OmarioRpg. But never feel like you have to, only if you're in a position to. Costs about a large grande cup of coffee a month. Nothing crazy. But again, only join it if you're in a position to. It does cost money. I'm not going to be one of those guys. Oh, join the Patreon, guys. Enjoy it. It does cost money. There's no two ways about it. If you want to support me for free, you can subscribe to this channel, follow all my socials, subscribe to my gaming channel as well. Check out my Twitch. I'd greatly appreciate it. But without further ado, I've been waiting for this all week. I still haven't gotten used to wearing headphones again. Chainsaw Man, Episode 2, begins now. I'll be honest, coming from the other animes I've been watching... What the hell? Oh, he's hungry. Denji! Oh, I got it wrong. Denji. I mean, some guys are into this. But if she said that to me... I would be like, yeah, but where's the food, darling? I ain't gonna woof. But where's the food at? This just shows, like, this straight away here is I'm in charge, you're mine now. You and both your ball. You and one of your ball. Does he have both? Because find out next week. Does Denji have both his balls? Either way, she's got a hold of them. Of it. Of them? Would you still say it or them if it was... Let's get on with the show. Or you stop them from having babies with the snip. But... I assume you already... Kussa! Ah! Hey!
汚ねえくせえと言われ近寄られもしなかったこの俺が初めて優しくされた。それもいい面の女に。
Oh, he's in love.
好き
Oh god. God, this intro starts so well. Let's listen to it again. I'm gonna stop looking at the animations because there's probably, you know. I think this is where it falls off. And so many people have gone crazy about the intro. I'm just talking about the song, by the way. I'm talking about the song. I'm not talking about the animation. The animation's unbelievable. God, I hate this part. Yeah, it's just too all over the place. I'm not going to be like one of those guys. Everything's good and great to get on your guys' good books. I don't give a shit. What you see is what you get. I'd much prefer the beginning part where it was like that was straight in my head. I like the funk, but then that just disappears and the song turns into like two different things. Anyway, what we got on the menu? Ramen, udon, soba, curry rice, curry udon, corn dog. He better not get a corn dog. He better not get a corn dog. Or a sausage. I would get curry rice. Chicken curry with rice. Who knows? Or is it just sauce and rice? I don't know. It better have some meat in it.
フランクフルト
Udon and a sausage. Nice.
いいよ。私はカレーうどんください。
What the hell's udon?
カレーうどんもいいっす
おっと。デンジ君、
Oh, right.
大丈夫？
I'm dirty minded.
いい匂い
どうやってそんな体になったの？
飼ってた悪魔が俺の心臓になった信じられないっ
Just
す
straight to the point.
俺も信じたくないっすよ俺のためにポチタが死んじまったの
No!
君の親友は君の中で生きてる。ロマン的な意味
Yeah,
じ
and
ゃな
that's
く
his butthole in your
体
chest.
から人と悪魔、二つの匂い
Nobody else gonna say it.
そっか
Soka. Nobody else is gonna say it. I'll be the one to say it. Also, I was talking over something really important there, so I'm gonna go back.
だからわかる。君の親友
Oh,
は
okay.
君の中で生きてる。ロマン的な意味じゃなく、体から人と悪魔、二つの匂いがする。
Interesting. How does she...
そっか
So she does have a good nose, I guess.
そりゃすげえ
Okay, cameraman. We get it. She's got, you know... We get it.
うどん
What the hell are you gonna do? Shove up your...
一人で食べれる？
食べれる食べれません
はい。あー。
あー
こんな伸びてるうどんも美味しいだなんて。
Denji. Denji, my guy. Listen. Listen, this is a message to all my brothers out there. Don't bark for your waifus. You can respect your waifus, you can love your waifus, but don't bark for your waifus. What, that can get me cancelled nowadays, saying that? Oh. Alright, edit that out. Denji, bro. Oh man, that bark hurt me. That bark hurt me. Poor guy. This is just a young man, you know, with a dog's asshole on his chest. It's so relatable. Oh, maybe he's actually got, what's it called?
あなたのお名前は
マキマ。
Oh, her name's Makima. I'm still gonna call her Makina.
好きな男のタイプとかあります？
デンジ君みたいな人。
デンジ君？え？俺じゃん。
デンジ君
She's playing him like a fiddle.
俺もマキマさんが好きです。
I love the ambience music in the
東京
background.
には民間も含めてデビルハンターが1000人以上いるけど、
Nice.
公安は有給多
God,
い
that
し、
looks clean.
福利厚生が一番いいんだよ。
マキマさんが俺を好きっつ
He doesn't give.
一緒に仕事していくうちにそういう関係になってくんじゃねえか。
She's definitely a devil as well. Devil.
そういう行為もできるんじゃ。してそういう行為して。
Hold it in, buddy. Hold it in.
彼の名前は早川亜希。デンジ君より3年。
Aki Hayakawa. Funny thing is, Aki kind of means brother in where I'm from. Yeah, it's Aki. But some people say Aki for slang. He started 3 years before you. Okay, so when I watched the trailer, I said this guy was going to be my favorite. Oh, for God's sake, I don't have my samurai man bun on today. Damn. But we'll see.
先輩。今日は早川君についていきな。
え？俺マキマさんと一緒に仕事すんじゃないんすか？
そんなわけないだろ。お前とマキマさんとでは格が違う。見回り行くぞ。
やだー、マキマさん。
だから頑張ってね。
Oh man,
なあ
poor
先輩
guy.
は
Poor guy.
マキマさんって男いんの？
You know what? This is all a meme. Obviously, it's jokes, but there's a meaning to this. It's showing you this guy's a young dude, you know, who's in that prime stage of, you know, falling for, you know. I don't know how to explain it properly, but you guys get what I mean, you know. Falls in love easy, you know. Any girl that shows him affection, like there's more to it than that. You know what I mean? It's showing you this. This is a super young man with this insane chainsaw power. It's more they're humanizing him right in front of us as well. He's not just a crazy chainsaw devil, bro. Like, I like this. I like this a lot.
なあよ。なあ。
ちょっと来い。
Bro, look at that. Oh shit. Okay. Okay, he smokes as well. Come on, man. He's just too cool.
お前仕事やめろ。明日も来たらまたボコるからな。
なんでだよ。
俺の優しさが伝わらないかな。軽い気持ちで仕事するやつは死ぬぜ。俺の同僚も給料だけ見てデビルハンターになったやつは全員悪魔に殺されたよ。生きてるやつはみんな根っこに信念があるやつだけだ。
What a violation. Oh my days, the violation this Donny's taken, bro. Are you mad? I'm pissed off for him. Oh, hell no. Do something.
今さんには俺から言っといてやるよ。お前は悪魔にビビって逃げたってな。
Sir, you need to stop chain smoking. Nice. Hey, if they're bigger than you and stronger than you, every man has a weakness. Except Denji, he doesn't, because obviously he doesn't have his no more.
先輩は優しい人なんだな、おい。俺は。
Oh, oh, okay, man. Okay, no, bro, chill. Okay, all right. Maybe don't go that far. And now you've destroyed his sausage.
初めて飯食わせてもらった。俺にとっちゃ夢みてえな生活だ。俺は軽い気持ちでデビルハンターなったけどよ。この生活続けるためだったら死んでもいいぜ。 死んでもいい。
Sorry to pause a lot, but it's kind of like a UFC fighter who comes from a super rough background. You know what I mean? He's gonna be better most of the time, 9 times out of 10. The guys who's had a harder life growing up is gonna be better at the sport than the other guy who hasn't had a super harder life growing up. You know what I mean? If he's been given that chance, that's what I believe anyway. So, yeah, I have a feeling Denji is gonna be insane at this job.
の酔っぱなし。俺だけの命じゃなかった。
Nice.
ああ、だよ。
Is everyone in love with her?
てめえもマキマさんが好きなだけじゃん。
Bro, chill.
お前マジで邪魔ばっか偉いやが
先輩が金玉の悪魔に玉を襲われました。
嘘です。こいつの嘘です。
でどう？仲良くできそう？
全然。
こいつクズですよ。
他じゃ見ないような実験的な体制で動かしてみる。
こいつ何者なんですか？
デンジ君は人間だけど悪魔になることができるんだ。
どうだ、すげえだろ。
マジの話ですか？
Bro, Denji's voice actor is so
聞い
good.
たことありませんけど。
デンジ君は特別なの。だから特別な対応で扱うことになりました。公安を辞職したり違反行動があった場合、デンジ君は悪魔として処分されます。
Oh, makes sense.
どっかに逃げたら殺していいって言われてるから。
Because he's half devil, half human, so it makes sense that they're keeping him with them.
ああ、マキマさんって悪い人なの？
そう思うならマキマさんは諦めろ。お前が悪魔なら殺されないだけ感謝しろよ。
Bro, I can't get over how good the ambience music is. I love how her eyes have like a...
もう一回抱きてえな。
they've got like a... What's it called? What the hell?
いちごジャム、梅ジャム、オレンジジャムにバターと蜂蜜、あとシナモンもかけちゃおう。最強のパンができちまったぜ。
That is some... I'm not a fan of toast. It's just not my thing. It's alright. It's just toast, isn't it? But man, does that look good. Anime food really does look better than real life food. God, what was I gonna say? Yeah, the almost like what's that thing, that black and white swirl that when you look at it long enough, eventually it starts moving. I can't remember what the saying is for that, but her eyes look like that, but it's red and yellow. Cut that. Sorry, I was just talking to my editor.
あー、最強だぜ。わおわおわおわおわおわおわおわお。
I love how normal it, like...
風呂長いんだよ。
Okay, bro. Don't they have bidets in Japan?
東練馬区住宅内に魔人発生。現在民間人の避難、現場の封鎖は完了しています。
目標の魔人は2階奥の部屋に立てこもってる。あとはデビルハンターに任せる。
早川さん、隣の人新人？
Oh, the police are in on it. Okay.
ああ、それじゃ俺魔人じゃね？
違う。魔人は頭の形状が特徴的だ。まあ、見れば一発でわかる。
I can't wait to see this guy in action. That poor parrot, bruv. Hollywood crackers.
悪魔になって力を見せてみろ。おい、なんで悪魔の力使わない？
Nice.
まあ、俺の力使ってで悪魔を殺すとよ、すっげえ痛そうなんだわ。だから、楽に殺してやりたくて。
いいか、覚えとけ。魔人も立派な悪魔だ。デビルハンターが悪魔に同情するな。俺の家族は全員目の前で悪魔に殺された。下にいる警察とも飲み行ったことあるけどな。お前は 悪魔と仲良しにでもなりたいのか？
友達になれる悪魔がいたらなりてえよ。俺友達いねえもん。
Oh.
その言葉。
That's an interesting argument for both sides. You can completely see where both are coming from.
プッツンさせちゃったよ。本当はエロ本に血つけたくなかっただけなの。
You know what? ママン。
ちまうからな。よし。エッチ確認。
デンジの夢を私に見せてくれ。
俺もマジでやってるぜ。ポチタ。風呂も毎日入れて。いいもん食う。
Just wants to live a normal life,
いい
man.
女も近くにいて。もう100点の生活なのに。なんか足りない気がす
You
る。
need to get a new pet.
なんかあったか。マジのゴール。あいつ
Or
は
more
きっと
jam.
復讐的なあれだ。マキマさんも。
Bro, okay, we get it, man. She's voluptuous.
とっくの昔に俺には無理だと諦めてたけど、今のまともな仕事してる俺なら揉めるんじゃねえか。いきなり女抱くのは俺には難しい。でも胸なら強い意志と行動力がありゃ揉めるんじゃ。
I would just like to say for the record, this was never my dream. I wasn't one of those kids. Nope. Definitely not. Nope. Anyway.
お前以外全員本気なんだよ。
そういうことだったのか。見つけたぜ。俺の本気。俺のゴール。それは胸だ。
胸だ。
おい、話聞けバカ。
公安では小規模任務とかパトロールは安全のため2人1組で行動することになってるんだ。ちょうどよかった。
Cheese here.
気をつけてね。彼女は魔人だから。おうおう、ひげ伏せ人間、わしの名はパワー。バディとやらはうぬか。
Her name's Power. Like, shout out to the writer who was just like, you know what? He went through all the names. Stacy, Margaret, Aoki. I don't know common Japanese girls' names. I'm sorry. Why did I say Aoki? Mikasa. He went through all of them, and he said, you know what? Power. My man. That guy gets it. This guy gets it. The meaning of Genji's life is boobs. And this badass girl who's probably going to be badass, I would assume she's going to be badass, is bloody power. This guy gets it, man. He's like hitting all the male testosterone dopamine things. God, we really are simple, aren't we?
よろしくな。
魔人は悪魔と同じ駆除対象なんだけど、パワーちゃんは理性が高いから早川くんの隊に入れてみたんだ。しちゃうかもしれない。
This reminds me of a game I played so much.
君たちがどうなるかはわかるよね。
Wait, I need to go back and listen to that. But yeah, check out Trails of Cold Steel 1. It's the same premise where it's a group of interesting characters all get put together and it's like a experimental classroom. It's a really cool idea.
結果が出せなかったらすぐに
okay.
上の方々が解体しちゃうかもしれない。
So the higher ups.
そうなっ
Okay.
たら君たちがどうなるかはわかるよね。パワーちゃんは頭の角が目立つから人通りの少ない場所だけパトロールすること。
Can't you wear a hat? Get this girl a bucket hat, bro.
早くなんか殺させろ。わしは血に飢えてるぞ。
ある程度の理不尽なら辛いよけりゃ許せる。
Okay.
問題はどうやって胸を揉むかだ。
I mean, this is how a guy's brain works. Yeah, but you're not supposed to say that, Omar. You're not supposed to say that. People are watching and you need to act different. Yeah, but why don't I be truthful with the people and just tell them straight up all we think about is that? No. Lie to them and just say something else. Just anything but that. I don't know, man. Boobs are nice. Bro, there's more to life than boobs. Hey guys, sorry. Was just having a moment there. This Denji, Genji, whatever his bloody name is, he really needs to get his head out the gutter. This isn't a good mindset to have as a male. Alright.
どうやって胸を揉むかだ。
Good question.
もし民間のデビルハンターに会ったり警察官に職務質問された時は
公安大麻得意音歌でーす。
って言って手帳を
His voice act is so good.
して帰っていくよ。
His smug voice especially is really good.
わしのせいじゃの。
やろう。俺をはめやがったな。パワーと組ませて俺を活躍させないようにして、俺を辞めさせる気なんだ。
血の匂いじゃ。
おいおい、てめえ、どこ行け。
Oi, oi, oi! Ah! Ah! Ah!
わしの手柄じゃ。
He's in love. If he's not in love now, then he's an idiot. I'm Team Power. Screw Makina or Michelle, or whatever her name is. Until we see her fighting, screw her. This girl just used her own blood vessels to turn it into a giant dual-wielding hammer. I'm surprised we didn't get the weird thing from the sea cucumber. I thought as soon as they said sea cucumber devil, I thought we were gonna get the weird thing. You all know what I'm talking about. You all know what sea cucumbers do when they're scared. Also, is there more to it than that? Is it like, because sea cucumbers sort of remind us of, you know, is there more to it than that? Is it saying, you know, powers, she's gonna destroy Denji's, you know, I'm just thinking outside the box here. Just saying, is that, what's the word I'm looking for when they're, what's that type of writing I'm looking for where they, foreshadowing, something like that. Holy crap, this was a bloody brilliant episode. This was so bloody good. This was better than last week's episode. And he didn't turn into Chainsaw Man once. You love to see it. This was better than last week's episode. And this week, Chainsaw Man beats Blue Balls. Although, Denji's definitely got those. But yeah, Chainsaw Man, best episode out of the 4 so far. And by I mean, I'm talking about Blue Lock. I'm watching Blue Lock and Chainsaw Man, like, together, and I'm sort of putting them against each other. It's kind of fun to do. I'm just doing it for fun. I don't care if, you know, you don't like it. But yeah, absolutely love this episode. It was much more dialogue heavy, and you guys know that dialogue to me is so important in these shows. I love Denji's character, man. I love that he's just a typical lad with an insanely strong and crazy, chaotic power. And he's just learning about... I just love that they're just not shying away from these male stereotypes. Like, it's so good. It's so good. They're not trying to make him out to be this perfect hero straight at the beginning. Do you know what I mean? The Donnie just wants toast, jam, and boobs. I mean, he just wants a simple life. Do you know what I mean? Shout out to all my brothers who've got toast, jam, and a lovely lady in their life. You know, well done. Sometimes, some of us just want to, have a comfortable life with a waifu. It's as simple as that. And it seems like that's Denji's goal. I keep calling him Genji. I feel like now I should just call him Genji. just to piss people off. And I know her name's not Machina, but I'm calling her Machina. The Machina. Final Fantasy X. So anyway, so, love this episode. Favorite moment, the beginning with Machina was so good. Denji and Machina and how she's just making this guy crumble in the palm of her hands, man. It do be like that. It do be like that sometimes. You don't be barking. Oh my god, that fight pissed me off as well. Bro, my emotions were all over this place this episode. You know what I mean? Like, nice. Hey, bro, don't do that. Did this guy just throw a cigarette on you? Oh shit, this guy just spat on the cigarette to put it out on you. Even Mayawakawa, whatever his name is, cool character. Can't wait to see, you know, to learn more about him. They gave us that little bit of backstory where it's like, you know, he said, they murdered my family, these devils. I had to watch my family die. So they're smart. They put that seed in there. Do you know what I mean? So you want to learn more about that? Just sprinkling seeds everywhere. You know what I mean? Just like Denji wants to do. But yeah, Denji gets MVP, man. I was going to give it to Machina. I was going to give it to Mayakawa, whatever his name is, but Denji wins it, man. And his voice actor is brilliant. I love the different tones of voice his voice actor can hit. And his sarcasm, his smug voice is so good. You know, his voice actor. Did you hear that? I can't do it. I was going to try and say it, but I can't. But yeah, I love his smug voice. Really good episode. Really enjoyed this. Let me know what you guys think. Episode 1 or episode 2? What was better? Let's hit the outro. I can't wait to see how is Chi, you know, what's her backstory? God, the outros are so much better than the intro. Oh. Shout out to the animations, by the way. Holy crap. So good. So good. That's 2 for 2 on the outros. I don't hate the intro, don't get me wrong. I love that animation as well. It just shows how different humans' ears are, man. Like, they had those 2 outros and that intro on their desk, and you know, everyone at Mappa was like, you know what? That's the intro. Fair enough. Fair enough. Yeah, fair enough. It's so annoying that I'm in the same boat as you guys now when I'm watching. So basically, if you're new to the channel, every anime I've watched has already pretty much been out. Vinland Saga, Attack on Titan, except for Season 4, Part 3. Arcane, even the Cyberpunk one that I've just reacted to, that I'm starting to react to. One Punch Man. This and Blue Balls, aka Blue Lock, are the first where I've got to bloody wait till next week like you guys. It feels good and it feels bad as well. But yeah, can't wait till next week, man. Absolutely am loving this show and can't wait. Do we know how many seasons there are? How many have been confirmed? I'd love to know. Do let me know. And I would love it if you guys could subscribe. This is a long episode, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had a ton of fun doing this reaction. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for being you. And I'll see you guys next time for more Chainsaw Man.
Huh?